RentSnowEquipment.com is liquidating its 2017-2018 case machine fleet. Every machine must go, and we will continue selling until they are all gone. Used for plowing snow only, these machines have never seen dirt. Only 100 hours average and less. Call Mike Hector Jaworski at 815-975-8111 for pricing and to negotiate your best deal. Multiple unit discounts. Once they're gone, so don't miss out. Low-rate financing is provided for qualified buyers. 0% interest until October 31st, 2018. Skip payments available. Full factory warranty remaining. Model year 2018 SR160 rubber tire skid steers. Model year 2018 SR270 rubber tire skid steers, some with super high flow. Model year 2018 SV280 rubber tire skid steers. Model year 2018 SV340 rubber tire skid steers. Model year 2018 TR340 rubber track skid steers, some with super high flow. TV380 rubber track skid steer, some with super high flow. Model year 2016 and 2017 321F. Model year 2017 521F. Model year 2017 621F. Model year 2018 521G and 621G. Every machine must go, and we will continue selling until they are all gone. Call Mike Hector Jaworski at 815-975-8111 for pricing and to negotiate your best deal.